Now that's got a little color to it.
What's it taste like?
Is that honey?
That's honey. Yes, that's honey.
This right here is the Gallberry.
This is a new part of the stem coming out, and that's the actual bloom between the stem and the leaf.
See if I can get in there a little closer.
It's hard to see, there's such a small bloom, but they're just profuse, as you can see here.
Super zone. And he wondered what was going to do. Well, yeah, that's nice.
They're starting to fill it out.
Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah.
They're coming on real nice, yeah. There's some, looks like there was some. I said, we're going to give you some honey. He said, I thought you were going to bring me one today. I said, well, I ain't talking about that kind of honey.
This one looks a lot better here. Yeah. Well, that's a double D.
Oh man, that's looking good.
Thing's hot.
Yeah. They're coming on nice, you know. They're building up good on it.
Yep, looking good.
We're just a little bit early.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to need any super.
No, but we're just. This is weak. This is a weak one here.
Yeah, it is.
You got a beetle on that pollen pad.
Yeah, we better look and see if we, oh, they love that pollen.
Better go down in that one.
Yeah, we better look at this one.
Okay.
It may just be, you know,
Doesn't sound good.
No, it doesn't sound good at all.
now this brood there.
Oh yeah, no, she's there.
It's just weak.
They'll get built up.
You see the
Okay.
broods. See, even this weak one. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
See, there's something coming in. See, the brood looks a little purple on top. See, it's
Yeah.
old,
Hold on.
but it's got a good pattern. It's got a good brood pattern.
Yeah, she's filling it in. She's going all around. Oh, that's
They're
good.
still working. Now that syrup looks like it's right.
Sure that isn't a laying worker.
No.
Absolutely not.
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Hold it up in the sun.
See, that's a
there.
good brood pattern. See,
See, she's starting to fill in around
Yeah.
the edges.
Let me see.
see, this
No,
is
that's
not
honey.
syrup. This is honey.
That's honey.
That's oak. That's what that is. That's oak. I could tell. Look at there, it's slumping out
Oh,
good.
yeah.
See? I don't want to do anything for it. I think it'll be okay.
Yeah,
It's just-
they'll make it.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a good patch. See, well, it's looking
Right here's
good.
loaded with drone bird. Now that's got a little color to it.
What's it taste like?
Is that honey?
That's honey. Yes, that's honey. And
Yeah, you can tell it's
believe
dark.
That's tie-tie. I think that's. Man, did you taste that? You want to taste it? It's got kind of a strange taste to it. It's got kind of an aftertaste to it. Taste that, Bob. See what you think of it. Can you get your veil open?
Boy, look at that.
You notice it's got
Look at all
kind of
that
an
drone.
aftertaste, and it's got a little sting to
All
it. You
that
might
drone
say.
in
Kind
there.
of a mint.
Yeah, kind of a minty. You're good. That's right. Yeah.
Got all that drone.
Yeah, it's loaded with drone.
Your jacket's not dipped up, Bob. They're halfway.
Oh, that's pretty nice. I'm forgetting. Yeah, I was
Well,
getting
I'll
some
tell you,
beads
this
in there,
is
and I
look
wondered
at
what
now.
the
Here,
deal
look
was.
at this frame here, drone. It's solid.
There you go. Let's show the
And
camera.
the larva, you know, the larva's all healthy.
Now, decap a couple of those and see if there's any mites
Okay,
on
I'm
them.
fixing to. See, they're hatching. See, the drone's already hatching. You know.
Look at that little bitty patch of worker brood.
See,
in there.
when you see something like this, see this, okay, that's a cell that's hatched. There's a worker down in there cleaning it out. I thought maybe it was a drone cell that had been maybe infected. Now see this right here, you see that opening there in that drone cell?
Yeah.
Well,
Is that
I
shit
like
coming
to
out?
open those up, but no, it's a healthy larva down in there.
And
Sometimes you see that, you think it's like, you'll think that there's
a brood problem.
that there's mites down in there, you know. But that's healthy, man. You ain't got no mites at all here. I mean, you couldn't ask for nothing like that. Look at how it's starting out.
Okay.
Man, this here's a wonderful hive.
See what this one is.
I wish I could see some tie.
Oh yeah.
Boy, look at that frame of brood. Solid, man.
Let's see.
Boy, that's a beautiful frame of brood.
Yeah.
Turn it over here.
There you go.
Here's
Okay.
another one. Look at this. Uh-oh, man. Listen here. Solid. Look at there.
Wow. Yep.
You see along the bottom of this one, it's got the drone brood along the bottom. See,
Yeah.
and all the rest of it is workers. Boy, that's a beautiful hive there. We need that super for sure.
Yeah, that's not brood there.
Yeah.
Is it brood?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay.
Yep. This is fine. Here's the queen. Look at her.
Where? Oh yeah. Let's
Get
see.
a shot of
her.
Get a good shot of that.
See how swelled up she is? Can you get her?
Yeah. I'm getting her. Okay.
Going under.
Yep, she went under.
Oop, let me get that.
Where'd she go? There she is.
Yeah.
Right here. Beautiful queen. Get a shot of that girl while I hold her for you. See, I got her by the wing. Can you get that?
I'm trying to.
He's got it.
Yeah, I probably do. Okay.
See this old boy? He's coming out of there. Get a picture of this guy here just being born. Look at there. You see him?
Yep, just hold it still there now.
He coming out of there ready to face the world.
You're Here we are over here at Rossman Apiaries in Moultrie, Georgia. Just a hop, skip, and a jump from where our yard is. And we're coming here to get a little bit extra sugar, get us through the dearth. And I think I'll take you inside and see if they'll let me film in there. I got a nice observation hive here. Got all the stickers you want to buy, all the books you want to get. They got lots of beekeeping supplies in here.
Oh, they got an observation.
Bee breeches, chaps.
No, so we won't have any probably until
Got honey.
the end of April.
And here we go. Here's my
What?
here's my
Looking hat.
my saying right here. Be happy.
That one on top of the box at the window probably working.
And you can get your signs here so you can put on there.
You're welcome, thank you.
Got all kinds of stuff here. And we got all the honey jars here whenever you have a good honey crop.
Yes, sir, can I help you?
So you've got all kinds of jars.
Are you putting it in a drum or a tote?
Then on this, see all the plastic.
More names in it?
And then we even have all kinds of shirts. There's good top. There's my kind of suit.
You need someone to the syrup tank? Someone to the syrup tank?
There's the Be Smart bucket.
Hey, Doc.
Comcapper.com. Okay. Well,
So what kind do you need?
okay. I really like their observation hive.
That's for the,
Then out here, all kinds of stuff. I got this corn syrup tank. And they got the pump there. You can see all the bees getting their free meal. I'm gonna turn it on. Get us. This is Doc, Bob, and Roy Bob for GAFLLA Bees. Asking you to leave a like or submit a message or ring that bell for more updates. How else are you gonna get our videos? Thank you and be happy.